Menteri Ketenaga Putih ubah Lahkmen rompui berjumpa bagi jengkedi jong Mizanur Kazi baru ba Adelbert nongrum hagador barmang tengka. Ula penting bagi Sorkar kalau syemik senjam matpun bed ya kejeng penslam man Siew Tulop ya Nonghikai hakajela bala pentreka mega portal Thymmai kebelah tip kom ka Meghalaya Schools Information Management System nega Maxims. Banweng ya kejeng penslam komami ya kejeng penbed ikot kisla bat ban penstat ya Rukom plat pisah nak benta ka Tulop Nonghikai.
These salaries for the ad hoc and granting aid teachers are diverted to some other causes, and if yes, is there any steps taken to mitigate this problem?
No, sir. There is no diversion of salary, which means for the teachers, it is paid for the teachers. As you have, everybody knows that the problem or the grievance of the teacher is one of the major issue which bog down the education department from time to time. But I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Cabinet on the 19th of December 2025, where they have approved that for all the categories of these granting aid teachers, they will bring into one umbrella is that the new structured pay framework for those fixed pay teachers, and the implementation of this new structure will start on the 1st of April 2026, sir.
As correctly mentioned by our Education Minister, that there are different categories of schools. That's the most complicated aspect of the education system in Meghalaya. And if you look at this whole aspect, a lot of times in the past we have heard that why hasn't government paid the salary of ad hoc teachers? Why hasn't government paid the salary of, say a deficit school teacher or a college? Sir, we have to understand that there is government school and there is what we call not a non-government but not a government, a private school. The ad hocs and the deficits are actually privately owned or community owned or mission owned. They are not owned by government, sir, most of them, 90% plus. And when you look at these categories of schools which are not owned by government, they are owned by the private managing committees. So when you talk of the ad hoc schools, they are not government schools. So they are, with due respect, sir, say run by you, sir. For example, Mr. Thomas, school. And you are the managing committee. Government gives a grant. So all these years we've been giving what we call ad hoc grant to your school because you could not run it. So in the last 20, 30, 40 years, the consecutive governments started giving ad hoc grant to somebody, you pay your salaries. This grant took a structure of salaries after 10 years, 15 years, the nomenclature changed. Then the expectation happened that now this school that belongs to Mr. Thomas, you see, but government just has to pay the salary. We are paying grant and aid to you. We don't pay salary to you.